He's easygoing, interesting, easy to talk to, and he has a great sense of humor, and I know Rachel's family is very happy to welcome him into their family. I thought about the words of advice that I like to give to the newlyweds and came up with this. The 2 secrets of a long-lasting and happy marriage are a good sense of humor and short-term memory. And Nick, always remember to say these 3 important little words. You're right, dear. And if you're clever, you'll always have the last word. However, if you're very clever, you won't use it. Whenever you're wrong, admit it. Whenever you're right, apply it. And Nick, always remember, a happy wife makes for a happy life. My greatest wish for the 2 of you is, through the years, your love for each other will deepen and grow. And years from now, may you look back on this day, your wedding day, as the day that you love each other the least, because your love will grow for each other. I wish you the very best, and my love to both of you. Okay, please, everyone raise their glass. Take each day and cherish your time together. Love one another and stand together. Take time to talk to one another. Put your love and your family first, your job and your hobby second. May your love be like the wind, strong enough to move the clouds, soft enough to never hurt, but always never ending.